If you're looking for one of the best used cars to buy in 2026, the Toyota Corolla stands out as a smart and reliable choice. The Corolla has built a global reputation for durability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. In 2026, buying a used Corolla from the 2020-2024 model years can give you modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced safety systems, and impressive fuel economy, often around 30-40 mpg depending on the variant. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Corolla is reliability. Toyota's engineering is known for long-lasting engines and strong resale value, which means even a used model can easily run for many more years with proper care. Parts are widely available and affordable, making it budget-friendly for students, families, and daily commuters. Insurance costs are also generally lower compared to sports cars or luxury vehicles. Another advantage is comfort and practicality. The Corolla offers smooth driving, comfortable seating, and enough trunk space for everyday needs. Whether you're commuting to work, driving in the city, or taking short road trips, it handles everything with ease. Hybrid versions are also available in the used market, offering even better fuel savings for those who want lower fuel expenses. In 2026, when car prices are still relatively high, a used Toyota Corolla gives you excellent value for money. It may not be the flashiest car on the road, but it delivers where it truly matters: reliability, efficiency, affordability, and peace of mind. If you want a safe, smart, and practical investment, the Toyota Corolla is definitely one of the top used cars to consider. If you're searching for a powerful yet practical used SUV in 2026, the Honda CR-V is one of the smartest options you can buy. The CR-V has consistently ranked among the best compact SUV thanks to its reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and strong resale value. A used 2020-2024 model offers modern styling, advanced safety features, and excellent everyday usability at a much more affordable price than buying new. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda CR-V is its dependability. Honda engines are known for long life and low maintenance costs, which makes this SUV ideal for families and daily commuters. Many used CR-V models come equipped with Honda Sensing, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features make it a very safe choice in its segment. Fuel economy is another strong point. Despite being an SUV, the CR-V delivers impressive mileage, especially the hybrid versions. You get the space and comfort of an SUV without spending too much on fuel. The interior is roomy, with generous legroom for passengers and a large cargo area for luggage, groceries, or road trips. In 2026, when buyers want value, reliability, and practicality, a used Honda CR-V checks all the boxes. It offers a smooth ride, strong build quality, and modern technology at a reasonable price. If you want a balanced SUV that handles daily life effortlessly, the Honda CR-V is definitely one of the best used cars to consider. If you are looking for a used SUV in 2026 that combines style, comfort, and fun drive dynamics, the Mazda CX-5 is one of the best choices on the market. Known for its sporty handling, refined interior, and reliability, the CX-5 offers a driving experience that feels more premium than its price suggests. Used models from 2017 to 2023 provide a perfect balance of modern features, performance, and affordability. The exterior design is sleek and elegant, with flowing lines, premium-looking headlights, and a bold grille, giving the SUV a presence that stands out in traffic. Inside, the cabin is built with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and user-friendly infotainment. Passengers enjoy ample legroom and a smooth, quiet ride, which makes the CX-5 ideal for both city commuting and longer road trips. Under the hood, most used CX-5s come with efficient Skyactiv engines that deliver enough power for everyday driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The SUV is also praised for its responsive steering, precise handling, and balanced suspension, making it enjoyable for drivers who want more engagement than typical compact SUV. Safety has always been a Mazda priority, and used CX-5 models feature multiple airbags, stability control, blind spot monitoring, and available driver assistance packages, adding confidence for families and solo drivers alike. Another advantage is the low cost of ownership compared to luxury SUV, with reliable engines, easy service components, and reasonable insurance rates. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 stands out as a practical yet exciting used SUV in 2026, offering a combination of style, reliability, efficiency, and driving pleasure. For anyone seeking a compact SUV that feels premium without the premium price, the CX-5 remains a top contender. When it comes to buying a used car in 2026, the focus should be on reliability, efficiency, safety, and long-term value, and models like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Honda CR-V perfectly embody these qualities. These cars have proven track records, affordable maintenance, strong resale value, and modern features that make them practical for daily commuting, family use, and even long trips. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency with a hybrid Corolla, sporty yet dependable driving with a Civic, or space and versatility with a CR-V, each of these vehicles offers a smart investment for the long term. Choosing a used car over a new one in 2026 also gives buyers a chance to enjoy modern technology and comfort at a significantly lower cost while avoiding the steep depreciation of new vehicles. Features like advanced safety systems, infotainment integration, and efficient powertrains are now common even in used models, making them not just practical but enjoyable to drive. Ultimately, the best used car is one that balances dependability, affordability, and convenience, and these top picks deliver exactly that. In a market with increasing prices and complex new models, selecting a trusted used car like the Corolla, Civic, or CR-V ensures peace of mind, excellent performance, and long-term value, making 2026 the perfect time to make a smart, well-informed choice. These cars aren't just vehicles. They are practical investments for your lifestyle, offering years of reliable service while keeping ownership costs reasonable. Choosing wisely today means a stress-free driving experience tomorrow.